Hi there, I'm Josh with Kitchen Compact in Jeffersonville, Indiana, where we've been building cabinets in the USA since 1937. And let me show you why we beat the big box stores. Here we have a Kitchen Compact 15-inch base cabinet. Behind me you see several stock cabinet options. Come a little closer and I'll show you one of the most important features of our cabinet. And that is our solid pine hanging rail that is standard on all cabinets. So what you see here is a base cabinet. The dowel will sit flush into our 1/2-inch end panel. Our wall cabinet is a mortise and tenon joint.
Hello, I'm Tim Turner. I've been here for 26 years at KK, and I'm going to show you how to install a hanging rail on a wall cabinet. We'll take this here, we're going to install it into here. We'll run some glue down inside of it. Both sides of this. And that ain't going nowhere.
On a Kitchen Compact cabinet, every screw is anchored in a solid wood. Now with these big box store cabinets, you're installing anchoring through flimsy MDF and particle board on the wall cabinets. Now is that an install you want to trust? I sure wouldn't. We have a Kitchen Compact 15-inch wall cabinet right here, and we're gonna hang here all day. Kitchen Compact is family owned, and we're still building cabinets the right way, fast, simple, and tough. So give us a call today.